This is the door lock that is developed and designed by HKT, and actually this is installed on our office door, and see how it actually works. It works with the fingerprint, NFC card, and also with the mechanical key. Here is the slot for the mechanical key. And it's locked. The fingerprint.
Unsuccessful unlocking. Open.
Open. It's open. Okay.
Close.
It's closed now. Let's try with the NFC card.
Open.
It's with the card. And now let's try with the password.
Close.
It's closed now. Okay. Let's try with the password.
Open.
It's open now. See, let's check the other side of the lock. It's closed now. Here is the lock and how it looks like. Actually, this part is extra part which was added by our R&D department for further testing or and here is the compartment for the battery. It's for the battery, normal A5 batteries. Yeah. That's how it works actually. It's locked this way, and also the mechanical lock is available here. It's actually locked at the moment.
Open.
Okay, like this.